Hello, and welcome to Bed Monkeys. Yes. What?
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 What? That's our Nicolas Cage impersonation.
I've got something to show.
Do you?
Mm-hmm.
Please do then.
We, in case you don't know us, live in a place called Lockport.
Is that the Union Sun and Journal?
I've got a copy of a section of the Lockport Union Sun and Journal, and we love to save things out of it. And we have a ton of things that we have saved out of it. Mainly grammar. Sometimes
They have some of the worst headlines.
Oh, terrible. This one is a sports headline.
Oh, good, you saved this one.
Oh, yes. Cover of the sports section. We'll see what y'all think.
Made to be broken.
Yep. Made to be broken. What does this say to you? I mean, I know what it says to me. That headline over the picture of the 4 girls and their swimwear. I know they're saying that they were headed to the state meet, and I guess they're eyeing the school record. But made to be broken? Yeah, I think it's a violence against women sort of thing.
It's sports, dude!
Yeah.
Sports.
Yeah, it's violence against women. I think sometimes people read into those sorts of things and like, oh, you're just being like sensitive feminist. Seriously.
And that other one, Lockport
Oh,
Star.
The Star.
Oh.
Oh, there are terrible.
Oh, it's like written by
articles in
5th
there.
graders.
Oh, I was gonna take a red pen to it and send it to the editor, and I felt too bad. I should really do it anyway.
Yeah. Sally, we're getting some complaints about your articles.
What?
Yeah.
What articles?
Yeah, there's a lot of spelling errors, grammatical errors, and some of it just sounds like, your blog or something.
Oh. But my blog is something that I like to write in.
Yes, that's fine. That's fine. You can do that on your own time. But this is a professional newspaper, and
I'm a professional writer. I write lots of stuff. There's things I've been writing for years.
Really?
Yeah, I've got A's in my English class.
Okay, well, if this continues, if we continue to get these types of complaints, we're going to have to let you go.
Are you upset on me?
I'm sorry, what?
I said, are you upset on me?
With you.
What?
With you, not on you.
Ew, are you hitting by me?
What? No, on you. Hitting on you. I'm hitting on you.
Oh my god!
No, I'm not.
I'm gonna tell.
Oh, God.
Hey, Andy.
Yes, Karen?
Is it time for a joke?
Sure.
ASAR's joke dictionary.
ASAR's.
ASAR.
It matches my shirt. Not really, but.
No.
All right, give me a topic. We had doctors last time.
Oh. Well, let's try lawyers.
Oh. All right.
Okay.
Lawyers.
Here we go.
There are 9 of them.
Let's go for number 6.
Number 6. There was a strong case against the man accused of bank robbery, but so strong and eloquent was the plea put up by his lawyer that the man was acquitted. Later, when alone in his office with the man, the lawyer asked, "Now, just between us, Jim, you did rob that bank, didn't you?" "Well, sir, I kind of figured I had," admitted Jim. "But since hearing you talk, I'm beginning to doubt it." He's a good lawyer.
Oh man, that is a good lawyer. Hey, Andy.
Yes, Karen?
It's time to play What's in the Bed?
Ooh! Yay! Oh, it's been exciting stuff so far. What are we going to have today?
Today's item is weird and frightening.
Ooh!
We didn't realize how weird and frightening it was when we first got it.
Okay.
Because it required batteries. And we put batteries in it. And then we realized how weird and frightening it was. So, hold on.
Oh!
And he's really loud!
Yes. We can cover it up a little.
The most frightening thing, I mean, he clearly, he walks. You can
Yes.
stop him from walking by putting this down, and then he'll just waggle his little legs. But we set him on the kitchen floor, and he walked right at us. And then he did that weird thing with his neck that came out and just grew right out of him.
Yeah.
It's so creepy. Here, watch that part again.
Oh.
Watch it. I'll do him in 3. No, wait. I'll do him like this so you can see it go. Yeah!
Okay, that's enough.
Yeah!
Yeah.
The old lady who had him didn't know what he did.
No, he came from a garage sale.
Oh, yeah. This dude is so creepy. And he's full of batteries. Next time we're looking for batteries.
Yeah, he's got like 20 batteries in him.
I don't
Just so he
know.
can be really loud.
Yeah, he's extremely loud.
Yeah.
I'm a little deaf now. And that's
What's in the bed?
What was the phrase my mom was saying? That you should hold your tongue and say the Seneca Bridge burned down. The Seneca Bridge got burned. Got damaged. Got the thumb. I think I know where that's going.
Go ahead.
No, you go. So we tried it like this. Oh, you pinched extra hard.
Well, I couldn't allow it to go. Ew. Oh. Oh, it's like
Go ahead.
cold, wet, silly putty.
Here.
What?
Eh.
The Seneca bed. Hey!
It's your tongue.
Well, it's yeah.
You know what? I could tell if Andy's getting tired.
Stop it! Stop it! Stop it!
He gets ticklish in weird places. I guess he's tired.
Stop it.
Whose forehead is ticklish? Whose back of the hand is ticklish? You. Burn.
Oh, I don't even want to hold my own tongue. Yeah. The Seneca bed got damaged.
The Seneca Bridge got damaged.
The Seneca bed got damaged.
I think that was it.
Oh. Your mother is a font of something. I'm not quite sure what you would call that.
My
She's
mother
a
is a
font.
font.
She's a font. Comic Sans. Trip back to Bewitched. Yeah, that's timely. I hope it was the first Darren. I didn't like the second one.
Really?
No.
You're a Dick Sargent? Rather than a Dick York?
Yes. I prefer the first Dick.
Hmm.
I didn't particularly care for the second Mrs. Kravitz either.
Oh, really?
Yeah. She was
Changed.
Yes. Yeah.
Boy, Abner remarried fast.
Well, I guess they figured if they're changing dicks, they may as well change Gladys.
Oh, yeah.
Ooh,
my Gladys.
Oh, my.
Oh, that still tastes like your tongue.
I have to taste it all the time.
Ooh. Now I taste my tongue. Here, you taste it.
No! No!
If you're with someone right now, taste each other's tongues. Go ahead, do it.
This is not endorsed by half of us.
The upper half.
Yeah, don't do that to Steve. Excuse me, can I taste your tongue?
Yeah, but what? I'm sorry. What?
Oh, no, I just need to taste your tongue. I'm doing a study.
Excuse me. I'm just watching.
Stick your tongue out.
What?
Stick your tongue out. All right.
You missed.
I intentionally. You are not tricking me into tasting your tongue.
Dang. I never gotta get kissed again.
I'll take Paul in for the block.
Paul in for the block? Paul, women often complain that their husbands do something that really annoys them in the kitchen. What is it?
Change dicks.
Nothing like a good dick swap. There's a new reality TV show. They'll just have to find people named Richard.
Oh, okay.
To play dick swap.
Next time on Dick Swap. Richard Dawson and Richard Vraunch.
Richard Vraunch at the piano. I hope Richard Dawson... Wait, Richard Dawson's dead.
What?
Isn't he?
Oh. We need to make a list of dicks.
Who do you think should be on our dick list?
Hey, dick list.
Oh, who's going to be on the dick list, I wonder? Who's our dick list wonder? Is it 1 in the morning? It's usually 1 in the morning. Yeah.
Close enough.
Close
All
enough.
right. Say goodnight, Dick.
Good night, Dick. Dick list wonder.